Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today uh, is my biggest concern for the future is my biggest concern for the future is the biggest concern for the future. In my opinion, the biggest concern for myself is number one is that not fulfilling my potential. Uh, I would be I would be very happy if I reach my full if I'm able to fulfill my potential, right? If I'm able to do justice with my hard work, whatever I do, it's fine that treat, if I get failure in anything, it's completely fine. But it's not fine when I'm not able to put my 100% in something. Second thing is that I always try to, minimize for things that I should do, right? For example, that most people in the corporate life they get stuck into the rat race, right? So my objective is to not get stuck into this, not try to optimize for these things, not try to impress someone that yes, I have achieved such a big position and I'm achieving this much. I just want to stay out of it. I have to be content with myself. Where I do things not to impress anyone, just for my satisfaction. So I would be very unhappy if I fell into that trap, and because I've seen a lot of people doing that mistake as well. So third thing is there are many things which I realized late in my life that yes, I should not have done that. I should not spend too much time into that. For example, in my school life, I spent too much time uh, studying. So I feel that I should not have studied that much, but therefore no one to guide me. And then in the after the college and the in the first few years, I have spent too much. I was highly dedicated for the company and did too much things, and it took a toll on my health, and I was not able to many things that I would have enjoyed. So there are things which I have got stuck into. So my goal is that not to get stuck into these things. Always have a forward looking. Thank you. Over to you.